Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. Today I'm here to open this really cute little package I just got in the mail today. It is the 52 card pickup swap on Timeless Paper Treasures on Facebook. And my partner was Terry Averill. She was my swap partner this month, and we only have one more month to go. Yay! Okay, all right. She had this all. This is my cards, and I haven't opened it yet, but look at these pretty trims that she sent me. Oh my gosh, or lace. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my God, you can snip these off individually and then just use this by itself. Okay. Anyway, lots of possibilities with this. Thank you so much, Terry. She's given me some of these flower trim. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And then look at this one. You can snip this one in pieces as well. And so is this one. Oh, cute. Oh, and look at this one. So pretty. And then she's given me some doilies. How pretty is that? This one is my favorite because it's an eyelet. Eyelet doily with an eyelet crochet trim. So pretty. And then another doily. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Oh, and then this is a handkerchief. A crocheted edge handkerchief. Isn't that amazing? And it's a pretty blue color. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's open this over here. Oh my gosh. Oh, look how cute. So this, I believe, is an Edwin's design. OMG. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, Terry, this is amazing. I watched part of his video and that is amazing. Oh my gosh. And I love this idea of that button. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see each card. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, and she sewed on them. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's one. I'm gonna put that there. Here's the next. Oh, it's a sewing theme one. Oh my gosh. I am so into the sewing. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. Okay, you guys need to come down a little bit. These are amazing. Look at that one. I didn't show this one as good. Look at that. Focusing, yep. This one, she sewed on the edge. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's a little pocket. I just noticed that with the itty bitty pattern. Oh, how cute. And she's like sewed some ribbon through the card. You can't even see it on the back. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh, Terry. Look at this one. This one's also, look at that itty bitty button card. Oh my gosh. Then she's done more. I think this is a punch. It's a ribbon punch. Unless she has that individual one, which I'm like, holy mackerel. But look at the ladies. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I love these. Look at this one with the pattern. What do you call this? Bolt? A bolt of fabric? I don't know. And look at this little measuring tape. I love the stitching. Oh my gosh, and I just stamped my stitching on. This one is how cool, Vogue. Isn't that amazing? Okay, is it not focusing? Oh, I love these little bitty button cards. Those are unbelievable. This is seam binding. Oh my gosh, isn't that amazing? Here's another little pattern. Oh my gosh, Terry, this is so cool. This is so cool. I love it. Look at that little button. That is so cool. And I left my backs. I didn't cover the back this time. Oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Oh, look at this dress form in the back. Here's another material. Oh, it's just amazing. They're amazing. Look at this one with the itty bitty buttons. Oh my god, that is adorable. Look at the ribbon or seam binding. It's just, I love it. There's another pattern. Is this from the printable? Because these are so cute. Look at this one. Well, this one was stamped or printed. And she has some of that trim that she sent me in a button. And I don't know if this is cheesecloth in the background. Oof. Trying to get it to focus. There we go. Isn't that amazing? Oh, I love it. This swap has been amazing. I don't think I'm disappointed at all. The ladies in this group is very creative, and I love how she tore the edge so you can see the what do you call it, the playing card in the back. Oh, it's amazing. Get this one. The little girl, she's getting her dress hemmed. Look at that pretty little button. Ooh. Is it not focusing? Come on, maybe I should go back a little bit. There we go. Isn't that amazing? Okay. And last but not least, oh, it's so cute. Cute little dress with some beads and this cute little bow. She has these tiny little beads on the flowers. It's just, and glitter. I think it's glittery. Yep. Oh my gosh, Terry, this is amazing. And this is the box. This is inside of the box. Isn't that amazing? Wow. This is really good. Sturdy paper or cardstock. It is really sturdy and I love it. Thank you so much, Terry, for our swap. These cards are amazing and I appreciate it so much. So if you guys are interested in this swap or any other swap in this group, I'll put the Facebook group down below so you guys can um, come and join us. They're amazing, amazing crafters in that group. Oh my gosh. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.